Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check purchase history in Roblox, and all you have to do is to launch our Roblox application, and then we are going to tap on the Roblox icon, which is near the bell icon. And from there, as you can see, my balance is actually 0. And as you can see, we aren't able to see the purchase history here, but in order for us to view that purchase history is to head on our work browser. So I'm going to go to Chrome, and you're going to make sure that you have searched for Roblox.com, and then from here you're going to tap on continue in browser, which is just below continuing up, and from here you're going to tap on the Roblox icon, which is before the seconds icon, and then you're going to tap on my transaction. From there you're going to see the amount of transaction or your purchase history that you have done either in the past day, past 7 days, past 30 days, or past year. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.